Of Jerusalem lived a righteous couple named Joachim and Anne. They loved God and lived a life of prayer, but they longed for a child. They were saddened by their childlessness. Oh Anna, how I wish we had a child to share our love breaks my heart. One day, Joachim went to the temple to offer a sacrifice, but the priest turned him away because he was childless. He was deeply hurt and went to the mountains to pray. Dear Lord, you know how come we have always tried to serve you. Please grant us strength to be faithful and to serve. Rejoice, Joachim, rejoice, Anne. The Lord has heard your prayers. You will be conceive a daughter, and you shall name her Mary. She will be blessed and bringing joy to the world. Do you see the picture, Anna? We also have a child. Yes, Joachim, it's wonderful. Our prayers have been answered. And so, Mary, the mother of the Lord in God's plan. This is the story how Mary, the mother of the Lord, came into the world through the love and faith of Joachim and Anne. is a one person, but she is honored with different names. Why we honor Mother Mary? Because she is the mother of Jesus. Her simple life is the example. She showed complete faith and obedience to God. She teaches us to trust God even in difficult times. Mary lived a simple and prayerful life. One day, Angel Gabriel appeared and gave the message of birth of Jesus.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women. Do not afraid, Mary, you will conceive in your womb, and bear son, and you shall call him Jesus. He will be great and will be called the Son of the Most High.
I am the servant of the Lord. Let it be done to me according to your word. From that moment, Mary accepted God's will with faith and humility. Mary is called obedient because she always listened to God's will and followed it with faith, even when it was difficult. When Mother Mary appeared in different places, people remembered her under that name, Our Lady of Lourdes, Our Lady of Fatima, Our Lady of Melancholy. Each place remembers her, Our Lady of, because of how she touched the people there. Our school is proud and blessed to be named after one of our titles, that is Our Lady of Pompeii.
Creativity program to a close. Today, through prayer, class, song and skit, we have expressed our love and gratitude to Mother Mary, whose birth is blessing to the whole world. Thank you.
Instagram